Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the power of lemon essential oil to enhance your beauty. How just one drop of essential oil can completely change the look and texture of your skin, can work miracles for your skin. So let's get started. Before I show you, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So first I'm going to show you how to use lemon essential oil for clear skin. So for this, the first thing that you need is rose water. So I'm using the rose water spray from Holistic. It's a pure, completely pure rose water without any parabens. Simply take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of rose water and then add just 1 drop of lemon essential oil. Mix it together. With the help of a cotton ball, apply this on your face. This keeps your skin free from impurities, infections, prevents whiteheads, blackheads and acne breakouts, and maintains skin pH balance. Now I'll show you how to use this for glowing youthful complexion. So for this, take a bowl and add half a teaspoon of sweet almond oil and then add a drop of lemon essential oil. Now stir thoroughly. Apply this oil all over your face and gently massage in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes until fully absorbed. This will make your skin tight and firm, will smooth wrinkles and fine lines, reduce puffiness under the eyes, and will give you a very youthful glow to your face. Now I'll show you how to use lemon essential oil to tighten large open pores. So to prepare, take a cup of ice cold water and add 1 drop of lemon essential oil. After washing your face in the morning with a face wash or a cleanser, splash your face with this cold solution. This will make your skin feel refreshed and alive, and your pores will shrink up instantly. Now I'll show you how to use lemon essential oil for skin brightening and lightening. So take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of raw milk and a drop of lemon essential oil. Stir well, apply this lotion on your face and massage well. You can use it as a natural brightening moisturizer. Now those with oily skin, just use it for an hour and then wash off with cool water. This is an excellent treatment to get brighter, fairer and well nourished complexion. Now moving on to the 5th tip, how to use lemon essential oil to remove dark spots and brown spots. So you need 1 vitamin E capsule. Just pop open a vitamin E capsule and squeeze out the liquid into a small bowl. Add a drop of lemon essential oil. With the help of a cotton bud, apply onto the affected area. So let it sit overnight and in the morning, wash off with cool water. So follow this for a week to get rid of dark spots and brown spots completely. So these were the 5 fabulous ways you can use a drop of lemon essential oil to improve the look and feel of your skin. So just include lemon essential oil to your daily skincare regimen and see the magic. So thanks everyone. Take care and bye bye.